Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu reports, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched a troop towards coastal area and appointed Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah commander-in-chief on them. They were 300 in number, and I was also one of them. We advanced, and we were still on the way when our journey victuals got exhausted. Hazrat Abu Ubaidah commanded that all should deposit their victuals. So all the victuals made 2 sacks of dates. We got a paltry amount of ration daily. We did not get anything but a date. Then that stock also got consumed. I, Wahab, submitted, "How could one date suffice you?" He said, "We felt its importance when they also got exhausted." Then we reached near the sea and found a fish equal to the size of a small hill. The troops ate it for 18 days. Then Hazrat Abu Ubaidah ordered to erect its 2 ribs. Then he asked to pass a camel under it. So it went across without touching them. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2483.